Hello and welcome to a series of the Odoo WhatsApp integration modules by Tech Ultra Solutions. In this video, we will look into our WhatsApp base module in which the user have to configure the API setup and other related configuration. So let's look into it and learn how to do it. So first you have to go to the apps. Search WhatsApp base in the app section. After that, activate it. After activating, you have to go to the WhatsApp message. In that, you have to go to configuration and provider. After that, go to the new tab and search for the developers.facebook.com. In that, go to the My Apps and select the app. Here from the sidebar, you have to go to the API setup in the WhatsApp section. So on the API setup page, here you have to enter your phone number. After entering the phone number, you have to copy the phone number ID, paste the same in our WhatsApp module. After that, select the WhatsApp business account ID, paste the same, copy the app ID and paste the same. And lastly, you have to copy the temporary access token and paste the same in the token section. After you have pasted all the details, you have to go and click on reload. As the data is reloaded, you can see the callback URL and the verified token. So copy the callback URL and in the API setup page, go to the configuration section in WhatsApp. Here, click on edit and here you have to paste the callback URL. For the verified token, copy the verified token from the WhatsApp and paste the same. Click on verify and save. After that, go to Odoo and here you have to go to the settings. In the user and companies, you have to select users. And here you have to give the access to the user. So add meta in the allowed and default provider. Save the data manually. After that, go to the WhatsApp message. Here is the WhatsApp template section. So go to configuration and in the provider, you have to click on get WhatsApp templates. Now go to template section and here you can see the Odoo has fetched the templates from the meta. Open a template and here you can see the status of the template. So it is already approved here. And the applies to section, you have to enter the module in which the template has to be applied. So after that, you have to go to the contacts module. Here you have to create a new contact. So click on new and enter the name of your contact. After that, in the mobile section, you have to enter the phone number with the country code. Save the data and click on the WhatsApp Smart button. Here, select the template which you want to send and click on Send Message. Go to the WhatsApp app and here you can see the template or the message has been arrived. So the message is visible in the WhatsApp app. You can also see this conversation in the data section of the Odoo. You can also see this conversation history in the WhatsApp message section. So here is the history. So now we have to create the template. So go to WhatsApp template section and click on new and enter the template name. I'm adding TOS welcome template. After that, enter the template type, select the language and on the applies to section, you have to enter the module in which the template needs to be applied. After that, in the content section, you have to enter the statement in which you want in your template. So I'm adding hello and welcome to Tech Ultra Solutions. Copy this content and go to the component section, and here in the type select body, and the text enter the same statement. After that, save the data and click on add WhatsApp template. So now you can see the stage has been moved to added template. After that, click on get template status, and here you can see the status is approved. Now go to the contacts module and search for the contact which we have created just now. Open the contact and here click on WhatsApp Smart button. Select the template and click on send message. Go to the WhatsApp app and here you can see the message has been arrived from Odoo. After that, go to the business.facebook.com and from the sidebar, you have to go to message templates. Search for the template we have just created, and here you can see the template is there. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for joining. Stay tuned.